up, Sister Squad? Welcome back to the Alexis Michala channel. This is a brand new video. What this video is going to consist of is basically clips from my December month. And then I did start a new video, so you guys will see that vlog coming out soon after this one. Guys, just let me interject here really quickly. So I look back at the footage that I captured from December. There's going to be one more December vlog, and then after that vlog goes up, then I'll have the current vlog that I'm working on. That's going to go up after that. So one more holiday Christmassy vlog, and then we'll be on the New Year stuff, okay? So there you go. But I hope you guys enjoy the clips. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at I am Alexis Michala. Love you guys. Hope you guys had a safe holiday, and I hope you guys are looking forward to knocking 2024 out the park. Until next time, I will chat with you guys soon. Bye.
Anyways, it's the oh shoot! What's phone? Look, you can make it go higher. I just have to. This is how we're gonna be taking Christmas pictures. You heard me? We're gonna take Christmas pictures. Put my daughter down. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, bobblehead. Meep. Meep. Dang, Sophie. Dang, Lovey. Hello, little chippy boy. Sit. Oh. Now, I gotta ask him about what he said earlier about the car. Good job. So he the attacker. Alright. Now, you just left it recording? Why didn't she press stop? Why are you crying, Gigi? The things you have to do. She's coming out her story. Nah, he got that all the way in his mouth.
No, Alexis, they got a water bottle. Where the bowl at?
I told you to get the bowl. You're not listening. He always does that when he sees the phone. He comes running. And then we have Gigi. All right, let's go. They're hungry. You want me to hold Gigi?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank